Good afternoon, parents.
Good afternoon.
Teachers, and I also want to say thank you so much to the parents.
You are so ready.
Hey, I'm so ready. Hey.
You're live in TikTok.
Hey.
Sure.
Hey. Let's see.
They want to stand here.
I don't know.
They will fall.
They will fall. Why didn't they put a stage though?
That other one has a stage.
Yeah, the other one is a stage. I agree this one is a new one. It's a new world, this one.
But they should have first though. Now this one is for activities.
Yeah, it's for activities, yes.
For celebrations.
But it's small though.
There.
Sinchanyadzisiwa guys. Shoma. Warika. Hey, vana vale. Hari remeleriwa liwa khwabu. Wa khwabu. Like speech, ufa speech.
Yeah. I'm here to support you.
Even work. I want to see copy. 3. Wow.
Last year he was also here for the RR.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Chitanga izve naini. Vanhu vachingotanga here tipedzi. Hana dzongorwa nhasi chayadzisiwa kumberi ikoko kunhasi zvakaoma.
Good afternoon, parents. Sorry about that technical difficulty. Good afternoon to our parents, our judges, teachers, and to the little ones there at the back. Thank you so much to the parents that took time out to come and watch our little ones as they speak. To the little kids there at the back, I want to say to you, be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid. Do not be discouraged. For the Lord will be with you through everything you do. When you are afraid, put all your trust in God. Do not fear. He is your God and will always be. Let's bow our heads and pray. Dear Lord, thank you for this day. Thank you for health and thank you for life. Guide our little ones today. Give their speeches meaning and purpose. Keep their minds focused and help them to speak calmly through you. Amen.
Amen.
I will now hand over to my Muchero. She will introduce the judges and adjudicators.
Right, good afternoon, parents.
Afternoon.
Thank you for taking the time to be here and support your children. So, the first adjudicator is my Madeleine. She's a great leader. Our second one is my Marie, my Marita, my Suzette, my Annelie, my Shamai, and my Larika. They will tally the marks. So they are giving the marks and they are tallying, they are putting it together. So here is a list what will be used upon to rate your child. So I'm going to read it for you. There's 10 points. So the first one is spoke with a clear and coherent voice, used appropriate volume, used appropriate pitch, used appropriate pace, used appropriate tone, sequenced ideas in a logical manner, age-appropriate speech or poem, content-related words and phrases, learner made eye contact, and confident body language. So they will be then given marks upon these 10 points. Now, the little ones there at the back, you can hear now. Can you hear me clearly at the back? Because I'm speaking loud. Nee. So when you come, you get for us on this step here. Yeah? And you're going to stand here and you're going to talk loud.
Yeah.
So that we can hear you. You're not going to say...
Guys, ndotokusirira ndiri pano zvangu zviya kuti zvifambi handotokusirira.
Nice and loud. Okay, and good luck to each one of you. Thank you, ma'am.
Nhasi uchazvigona here nai? Ndodi wamudumbu. Wamudumbu chaiko.
Learners, my privilege to be standing here and holding those little ones. And without any time, the first one is Bukamusa Suze from grade point 1.
Yeah. Handokusirira. Chayazoita confidence mama kutona. Handokusirira. Icho. Hala, boy. Boyiza. Boy. Ujangi yanu. Chepis. Ako. Grade ara. Huh? Yes.
And the next one is Valentine Jobu.
Hala. Nataka na shatawa. Hara utasi. Yay! Yes! How we bodu? Lupo grade 3 achikuti gware zvara zvipa grade RR izvi. Boy boy. Akakone waka. Yay! Yes, baby.
And from up 3, we got Waiti Washe.
Go put the cow jump. Ako. Aiwa it's a new kune wo mberi kuseruka.
From up 2.
Yay!
And the last one of the
Hey, my judge.
to grace us with his present is Lumpile Muite.
Ala.
Yay!
Right, ladies and gentlemen, please let's give them another round of applause. Some will be turning 5 at the end of the year.
Yeah.
For the courage to come and stand.
Yes.
Beautiful. Without any waste of time, we are moving now to the great arts. Especially please, can you just go a little bit slower between the opponents? All right. Can you the last one?
Foundation face zvanguvana na vose vagona. Vose vagona. Hey, que grade ala umunyane o. Grade ala. Asata uya. Chamuona kana uya akafanana nini. Kuita ngechambena nomudzira ini. Kuti ke energy mwanangu energy must perform. Kimbono mudzira kusure. ndikuemera imbo nomudzira guys ndadzoka. Ndadzoka kunomudzira, ndamudzira. Ndamudzira kuti anyatsokuita body language plus anyatsotaurisa plus anyatsoita action. Ndamudzira kuti una munhu akapusa changa muchanga mwenangu.
While we are still waiting for our judges, can I please ask our parents to stand up? Only the parents. Parents, please stand up. Please.
This one.
Hands up. Left, left, left. Out. Snap, snap, snap. Down.
With an exercise.
How many parents do we have here? I cannot hear the snap. Hands up. Left, left, left. Hands out. Snap, snap, snap. Hands down. Snap, snap, snap. Up. Left, left, left. Out. Down. Now my shag is already tired. She did it once and she's like, up. Left, left, left. Out. Snap, snap, snap. Down. Then listen to the rhythm. And I want you to start with your right leg. Right. Show me your right, please. Show me your right. And listen to the rhythm and start stamping with your right foot. I'm going to start. A little bit faster.
Nani zvotoitisiwa nikiki asi America. Uye bodu.
We are now starting with the great arts, our beautiful brilliant great arts. And the first one is this handsome gentleman called Mr. Mashaba.
Okay, Wakoko, okay. Boy.
Yes, boy.
Okay, boy. Yay! Yay! I just don't seriously, boss. Yes. Yes.
point one of our
we both.
Is umvukuthi zinankulu.
Yay!
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ongoput. I have a new rhyme to share with you.
Yes.
I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When I get a steamed up, hear me shout. Tip,
Uh-huh.
me over and pour me out.
Wayo.
Me over and pour me out. Thank you.
Hey!
Beautiful. You can see that it's the same rhyme, but
Different, yeah.
Everybody can do their own way of doing it. Another round of applause for us. Now we're moving to the next class of grade point 2 of Ma'am Suzette. The first one is at the hangu.
Woo! Hey, manana, boy. Aku.
I'm a little teapot,
Uh-huh.
short and stout.
Uh-huh.
This is my envelope.
Uh-huh. 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 Yay!
Thank you. Abuti, at the hand. Let's give him another. No, let's give him. I want the letters to not to do it. I want to see if the parents are the parents of Claudia. Let's give him a Claudia clap.
Arukunda grade. Iri grade R, ama grade R vosenda ma grade 1 and ma grade 2 and ma grade 3. Uh-huh.
1, 2,
Uh-huh.
3, 4.
Uh-huh.
I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When the water's boiling, hear me shout. Just dip me over
Uh-huh.
and pour me out.
Yes. Three.
The whole guy to man. Thank you very much. That was Motero. And now we go to point 3 of Ma'am Shante. And the first one is Orinele Masike.
Princess.
1, 2. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When the water's boiling, hear me shout. Just pick me up and pour me out.
Yay! Can't come out with that.
Short and stout, eh?
Yeah.
Almost. Short, yes. Let's give you another round of applause. The next one, point 3, is Tate Kosi Lebeke. Kosi, over to you.
I'm a little teapot, I'm short and stout. This is my handle and this is my spout. When the water's boiling, hear me shout. Just lift me up and pour me out.
Yay!
Sokomani from Alphon 4.
Shiva mama. Oh, morning.
I'm a little teapot, short and stout. This is my handle and this is my spout.
Yes.
When the hood has played,
Uh-huh.
hear me shout.
Yes.
Just lift me up and pull me.
Yay!
Yes, yeah.
Yay!
That was Miss Sokomani from Alphon 4. And the next one in Alphon 4 is Rikante Makula.
Good afternoon, parents. My name is Rikante Makula, and I'm going to do I'm a little teapot. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. This is my handle and this is my spout.
Mm-hmm.
When the water goes, hear me shout. Just lift me up and pull me out.
Yay!
Beautiful, beautiful, my girl. Beautiful. That was we can come up with Alphon 4. The blue clap, please. Thank you. Now we are left with one class. Are we ready?
Yes.
We are left with one class of grade A, and that's Alphon 5 of Nadila. The first one is Pelunomi Kuku.
I'm a little teapot, short and stout. This is my handle, this is my spout. When the water's boiling, hear me shout. Tip me over and pull me down.
Yay!
Pelunomi, well done, well done. The last one to grace the stage for the grade up is Ntate Bukau Iguani of Alphon 5.
Woo! Hello, boy, boy.
This
Uh,
is my handle, this is my spout.
uh-huh.
And the water's boiling, hear me shout. And lift me up and pull me out.
Yay!
Thank you very much. Let's give all of them a round of applause. Our grade up. And while we give our judges 1 or 2 minutes, I want us to sing something very short for our little ones. Please, parents. Now I sing for them the whole day. Now it's okay.
Rats in a school, yeah.
Beautiful. Boys and girls, give your parents the good leg. Thank you. One more. Thank you. Now, without any waste of time, we move into the grade 1. Remember, most of the grade 1 now for 3 years. Grade up, grade up, now grade 1. So you see, as the grades go up, so does the confidence. Because now this is your school. They know it in and out. They know all the teachers. They know sir, so nothing is new to them. So just look at the confidence. The first one from grade 1.1, sorry. Grade 1.1 is Itando Keswa.
Yay!
My hands help me clap.
Akakarudo foraka. Ish.
My arms can hug tight.
Yes. Oh, shame. Are you here, baby? Let's go, baby. Our stick. Our stick. Our stick.
My hands help me clap.
Yeah. Oh. Eusukhile, stage fright.
My arms can hug tight.
Yay! Good baby, good one, good one. Chingati. Our stick.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, baby.
Teacher, continue.
Right. Let's continue. One says fixing. The next one is still in grade 1.1. Ele2 Temba Shangaze. This is our ring. Ele2 Temba.
Uh-huh. Yay! There is a towers. Yay!
Thank you very much.
Huh?
Are you ready, girls?
Nangu nangu batira mu kwesho.
What I call you,
Batira hanama okucheko.
please. Karate lesson along from 1.2.
Yay!
First grade rocks. A lot to do. First grade rocks.
Uh-huh.
For me and you.
Uh-huh.
First grade rocks.
Yeah.
It's so much fun.
Yes.
First grade rocks for everyone.
Yay!
I agree totally. Rocks because it's the start of the beautiful things. Thank you, make a Ratilo Savalon from grade 1.2. Please give us your feedback.
Avana madikika guys, just giving them confidence. Vana ka foundation face. Ako. Yay! Azoka futi. Asiye. Mbo futi. Uye bodo. Yay!
Thank you very much.
Ah, uye bodo.
We are now done with grade 1.2, and then we will move into grade 1.3.
Nari kufunduka veduwe.
The first one in grade 1.3 is Mukulusi Namatodi.
Icho.
Good afternoon, parents and fellow learners.
Yes.
My first day. See me skip, see me run. I'm going to school like everyone. See me walk, see me grin. When the bells ring, I go in. See me
Oh, yes.
see me play.
Hmm.
I am in grade 1. Hip hip hooray!
Hooray!
Thank you very much. Still in 1.3.
Ooh. Ah.
is Ratile Bokosi.
See me ski,
Uh-huh.
see me run.
Uh-huh.
I'm going to school like everyone. See me walk, see me drink. When the bell rings, I go in. See me jump, see me play. I'm in grade 1. Hooray!
Hooray!
Hooray! Right, those were the little ones from our school. Now we are going to the juniors of foundation phase. Remember, foundation phase is grade R, grade 1, 2, and 3. Oh, so you are now in grade 2. You are now in grade 2. The last one in 1.4 is Toriso Monto.
Families!
Yes!
Families are
Yes!
and some families are small.
Eh.
Some families are different.
Yes.
We love them all.
Yes.
Some have mothers, some have fathers, and some have sisters and brothers. I love my family.
Yay! Yay!
Like I was telling you earlier, we are now done with the babies of foundation phase. We are now going to the brothers and sisters, grade 2 and grade 3. But because I'm also a baby, I'm going to hand you over to tell us who's who in the brotherhood and sisterhood of foundation phase.
Thank you, man, jokers. Like you said, we're moving into the bigger kids. These ones now, they've got different topics. They got to write their own speeches. So we're going to see what they've been learning for these 5 weeks they've been at school. Up first in grade 2.1, we've got Priela Sibanda.
The importance of water.
Mm-hmm.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes.
Ever thought why they say water is life? A person can live without food for 2 to 3 months,
Mm-hmm.
but we cannot survive for more than a week without drinking water.
Mm-hmm.
So why is water so important to us? Water quenches our thirst on a hot day. This helps to cool our bodies down by sweating. Our brains can move because of water. Water is also found in the blood that runs in our veins. 60% water to help our bodies to remove waste like pee and number 2. I cannot imagine a day without a bath and or clean clothes. Who can even prepare a meal without water? Plants and animals that we eat definitely need water to grow. I therefore encourage us to save water. We must repair leaking taps and avoid polluting water. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Priya Sibanda. Thank you for lending me your ears this afternoon.
Yay!
Up next, still in 2.1, we've got Siyabonga Sindane.
Yes, say.
Good day everyone, my name is Siyabonga Sindane. Today I'm going to talk about my favorite. My favorite singer is Double HP. His music is more drop. Double HP song that I like is something. My favorite food is pizza. My favorite cartoon is Teen Titans. My favorite day of the week is Saturday. My favorite place to visit is Green Center at the mall.
Mr. President.
Estrutura mafemo, nas?
In grade 2.2, first we've got Bukamoso Kolakai.
Estrutura mafemo, tikashirika. Hi, baby. Yes. 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 Mm. Yes. Yes. Uh-huh. Yes. Yay!
Next in 2.1, Ukhorokile Murwani.
Yes. So do ya nachikuverenga kuita from the head ndakamuti speak from the heart ndakumunyorera pasi ndakati talk from your heart. Amen. Yay! Baba duse kupinda nasikeli you can nbenda toilet. Kutoita ngindindi kunogura pa stage.
2.3, Lesekupetse Maponya.
Kwasara tu zvete zvana. Yes. Uh-huh. Yes. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
My friend is Kala Marwana. She's 8 years old. She's grade 2. The same grade as me, but not the same school. What I love about my friend, we love to play together, do our homework together.
Yeah.
Me and my friend, we like to dance together. She will help me and my friend dance.
Yes.
Thanks for us.
Yes.
Have a great evening.
Hey! Oh yo!
Wow, well done, grade 2.3.
Yes.
Another one from grade 2.3. Siposile Kondwana.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Sebastian and I came to tell you about what we need to do. We need some things to survive. I will start with each and explain why it is needed. Number one, air. Air is needed to sustain life and growth. Air has main gas and full oxygen. All living must breathe in and out oxygen. Oxygen helps our cells to make energy. Air helps plants to grow. Number two, water. Water is needed. We need water to survive. Water is needed for cooking, cleaning, drinking, and washing. Water cleans our body. We need water. We need to save water by not using tons of water when brushing our teeth. Number two, sunlight. Sunlight helps our body to stay healthy. Sunlight makes our bones to be alert and awake. Vitamin D helps our body to get calcium from the bones and teeth. Number four, healthy food. Food is a basic need for us. We eat food to live. Food helps us to live
Too long.
and protect us from getting
For man, it's too
We
long.
must eat balanced food to be healthy. We protein.
From the dance side. Ubalula kuyenza quickly sana imehla kutoka.
Thank you.
Zvakuuya manje.
These speeches that
Ukupedzisira
these
kwa grade
kids
2.
have written is what they've been learning
Mhm.
from school until now.
Okay.
So what they've written shows, what they're saying shows that wow, they've really been learning. Last
Sure.
and certainly not least, in grade 2.4, we've got my superstar in my class,
Oh.
Ile Libusa.
Yay!
I want to tell you about something important in our life. We need a house, big or small, to protect us from elements. We need water to drink and bath. We need sunlight and food to help us grow big and strong. And the last but most important, we need air. Without air, we can't breathe.
Yeah, yes. Toshinda grade 3 kuya veduwe ikaenda munja manyoka. Tudzoka.
Thank you so much to the grade 3, to the grade 2. Now we're moving to the seniors of
Hey.
foundation.
We are bored.
They're with us for the last time this year. Next year, real work, big work. In grade 3.1,
we are
first
good.
up we've got Lebone Ramitwa.
Abosisa.
Good afternoon, teachers, parents, and fellow learners. My topic for today is kid safety. We know that crime against young children by strangers is very high in our community. Even so, as young children, we must avoid talking to people we don't know.
Yes.
Children must tell their parents when strangers talk to them and never to keep it a secret.
Yeah.
We must never walk away with strangers or take anything from them. Children must learn their addresses and parents' phone numbers by heart. By doing so, we can keep more children like myself safe. As children, we have a right to safety. Thank you for listening to me.
Hey!
Well done, Lebone. These kids, I hope you took some notes from Lebone about how to stay safe. Ne? Still in grade 3.1, we've got Atlehan Mapa.
Yay!
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Atlakang Mamba. Today I am talking about swimming lessons. This year my mom finally took us for swimming lessons.
Finally.
At first I was a bit scared and thought I was going to drown.
Yeah.
But it was all in my head.
Yes.
After 8,000 tries
Uh-huh.
and a lot of help from my kind teacher, I got it right.
Yes.
I am glad I am learning how to swim, that I can have fun with my friends in the pool. Thank you.
Yay!
First up in grade 3.2, Obonakete Mwate.
Good afternoon, parents, and good afternoon, teachers. My name is Nhasi. I am going to represent the grade 3s. The title of the story is all about the beach. It was a hot day and very early in the morning. Everyone was ready for the party, so we danced until 7 p.m. We ate snacks like sweets, ice cream, sweets, and cupcakes. The next day we went to the movies and bought popcorn. And after the movies we went to play tennis by teams. And my team won. The score was 1 and the other team 0. We had lots of fun and we played volleyball. And it was cool. We danced Amapiano music. We went to the concert. We saw a mermaid. And after